Introduce highlight features and overview summary of OLYDON Electric Foot Warmer 110-volt folding space heaters. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. We are always looking for a portable personal heater, especially for power saving, and can be used in both the office and the home. This panel heater is just enough to meet this demand. The carbon crystal heating film is energized and heated, 30-second can feel the warmth, surrounded by heat, so that your double legs is in the warmth. The office desk heaters, also is safety used for pets in your home, your pet will love it. The safety function is also solid. Carbon crystal heating film, natural convection heating, do not drying, no high frequency radiation, anti-dry burning protection, quiet and no noise, so you can concentrate on the work. 7 levels temperature control, long press switch for 2 seconds to turn on or off, easy operation. This product is lightweight and foldable, which can be carried with you to anywhere and easy to store. The design of the cover on the top, effectively avoiding heat dissipation, keep it warm. Automatic shut off when it dumping/continuous heating for 3 hours to avoiding unnecessary accidents and reducing the risk of fire. The heating surface is made of non-woven material, will not get electric shock or burns when contacting with the body. So it can be safety used for babies and pets. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.